So, dear all, good afternoon. Welcome again. And in last session, we have nicely learned what is climate. Okay. And now in this session, we will see climate and adaptation. So, as per the climate, living organisms have to adapt. Okay. So, adaptation is necessary for living organism to cope up with the environment. Understood, everyone? So now climate has profound effect on all living organisms. So all living organisms are affected by the climate. Okay, there is a huge effect of climate on all living organisms. Okay, and to survive in the environment, to survive, they have to adapt some changes. Okay, so animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. So wherever they are living, they have to adapt some changes according to the place. Understood, everyone? जहाँ भी रहे बेटा, जे भी जगह रहे कोई भी organism. So as per the situation, they have to adapt something. Okay, for example, if the animal is living in the desert area, okay, so can you tell me, just imagine one animal which is living in the desert area. Any example you can give me? Huh? You all know which animal you can find in the desert area? Yes. Very good, Priya. Camel, right? So can you state some adaptation of camel? क्या adaptation है camel के? Anyone tell me? Camel. Yes. For many days, camel can live without water or food. Okay? Because in desert, there is very less water. So see, the adaptation, it has already adapted. That without food, it can live for many days. Okay? That is the adaptation. And can you tell me, for these days when he is not able to take food, so from which he is getting energy? It is getting energy from where? The camel. Yeah, Sumit, very nice. From the hump, when the fat is stored, right? So from its hump, it is getting energy. Very good, fine, nice. In 6th standard, you have learned all these things. The special chapter for adaptation, right? In the 6th standard, which chapter? 9th chapter, I think. Yes, okay. So you went through this chapter and it is very easy. So animals living in very cold or very hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or extreme heat. Okay. So now features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. Evolution मतलब evolution. किसको पता है evolution किसे बोलते हैं बेटा? तो for example, if the climate is changed in some region, okay, there is some changes in the climate. So according to that, animals have adapted some features or habits, okay, and that is the result of evolution. Understood, everyone? Okay. So in chapter 9, we will learn about the effect of weather and climate on soil. But in this chapter, we will see the effect of weather and climate on animals only. Okay, about their adaptation, we will see in this chapter. So here, adaptations of animals to climate conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. So here we will discuss about the animals which are living in the polar regions and tropical rainforest. Okay, so as per the name polar regions. That means they are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, which is extremely cold or hot. Who will tell me? Polar region कैसे होते बेटा? Cold की hot? Very good. बराबर, बहुत ही ठंड होती है वहां. Can you suggest some names of polar regions? Some countries? Countries मुझे कुछ बताएंगे? Polar region, yes, very good. Kenya, Alaska, Canada, then, or very good, very good. Okay, Sweden, very good. Norway, very good. Finland, these all are situated near the polar region. Okay, then Siberian region of Russia also. Excuse me, Jagrut, have you any problem, beta? Jagrut? Okay. I think you don't want to attend the class. You may leave the meeting, beta. Okay. So these all are polar regions. Now, can you give me some examples of tropical rainforest countries? Very good. Very good. Okay. Then Brazil, Indonesia, very good. India, then Malaysia, Uganda, Nigeria, this all. These all are the countries where the tropical rainforests are found. Very good. Okay. So here we will see the polar regions. So the polar regions present an extreme climate. Okay. Their extreme cold is there in the polar regions. And it is mostly covered with snow, and for most part of the year is very cold. बहुत ही ठंड रहती है पूरे ईयर. बराबर. कुछ ही महीने ऐसे होते हैं कि वहां पर थोड़ा आपको वार्म फील होता है, अदरवाइज इट इज एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. ओके. So for 6 months the sun does not set at the poles. See, 6 महीने के लिए सनसेट होता ही नहीं है और 6 महीने के लिए सनराइज नहीं होता है. That means whenever you are in Norway, okay, you can feel that sunny days for 6 months and dark days for 6 months. Okay, and sometimes the temperature can be as low as -37 degrees Celsius. See, right, -37 degrees Celsius, which is very hot or very cold? बोलो, hot की cold? मुझे तो cold ही लग रहा है. हाँ, very good. Okay, so fine. So animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Okay, so the animals which are living in these regions, they have to adapt some adaptation. Okay, so here we will see the adaptation which is adapted by polar bears and penguins. So we will see adaptations of polar bear and penguins. Okay, you have seen polar bear and penguins. Penguins देखे आपने बेटा? Polar bear देखा है? Very good, fine. So चलो, कैसा दिखता है polar bear? It is having white fur, right? So that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. Already इस polar region में white snow होता है, right? White होता है ना snow. And the polar bears are living there, so they are easily not visible. Okay, easily आप उसको देख नहीं सकते हो. It protects them from their predators. चलो, what is the meaning of predator? Can anyone tell me predator मतलब? Write in your chat box beta. Predator. Yes, Sumit, write in your chat box beta. प्रे दैट मीन्स अलग है और प्रीडेटर अलग है. नो नो नॉट प्रे. चलो मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ आपको. प्रीडेटर एक कैट, राइट? तो उसका प्रीडेटर कौन है? कैट का. उसको कौन खाता है? उसका शिकार कौन करता है? शिकारी कौन है उसका? डॉग, राइट? तो डॉग इज द प्रीडेटर. व्हाई रैट इज द प्रे? नितेश, यू आर राइटिंग रॉन्ग. ओके, सो प्रीडेटर एंड प्रे, बराबर. प्रीडेटर मतलब शिकारी, बराबर. दैट मीन्स दोज हु कैन ईट पोलर बियर. पोलर बियर का प्रेडेटर कौन है? जो पोलर बियर का शिकार करता है, दैट इज प्रेडेटर. एंड पोलर बियर किसका शिकार करता है? दैट इज इट्स प्रे. अंडरस्टूड? तो फॉर कैट रैट इज द प्रे बट डॉग इज द प्रेडेटर. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? ये ओप्पो बेटा कौन है? ओप्पो, प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब, बराबर. एंटर विथ योर नेम. वेरी गुड. जस्ट एंटर विथ योर नेम. ओके, so it also helps them in catching their prey, so easily they can catch their prey as they are exactly match with the snow. Okay, so their prey cannot see them, so easily they can catch their prey. Understood everyone? So now to protect them from extreme cold they have to thick layer of fur. So polar bear has thick layer of fur because they have to क्या करना है उससे? बोलो. पोलर बियर के जो फर होता है वो क्या करते हैं बेटा? यस, दे प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम टू मच कोल्ड, राइट? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सो वेरी गुड, प्रोटेक्ट देम. गुड, राइट आंसर हिरल. फाइन. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Okay, chalo. So they are having a layer of fat under their skin. Okay, and they are so well insulated. Insulated matlab, what is the meaning of insulated or insulator? Chalo, you went through this topic. Insulator means, चलो, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट होता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? जो हीट कंडक्ट कर सकता है तो हम बोलते हैं गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, और जो हीट कंडक्ट नहीं कर सकता अपने में से उसे क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? इंसुलेटर, राइट? ओके, सो इंसुलेटर हियर you can see, so they are well insulated. That means heat cannot be that escape from their body. Okay, already they are living in cold region, and because of the fur and fatty layer, okay, there is a heat inside their body, but this heat should be maintained, and because of that fatty layer the heat cannot escape from their body. उनकी बॉडी में से हीट बाहर नहीं निकल जाती है, और that's why they are able to live in this type of extremely cold region. Understood everyone? આટલી ઠંડકમાં કેમ રહી શકે છે બેટા? Because they are well insulated, they are having thick fur of hair, બરાબર, thick layer of hair, then they are having the layer of fat under the skin, and because of all this adaptation they are able to survive in the cold region. Understood everyone? Any problem up till here beta? बहुत ही easy topic है ये तो. Very good. चलो, fine. Now physical activities on warm days necessitate cooling. Okay, so as they are habituated to live, okay, उनकी क्या, वो कैसे बेटा ट्रेन हुए कि वो कोल्ड रीजन में रह सकते हैं. नाउ व्हेन देयर इज अ वार्म एटमॉस्फेयर, चलो वार्म कभी वेदर होगा तो क्या करेंगे? दे विल डू द एक्टिविटी विच मेक देम कूल, राइट? ऐसी एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिससे कि वो फुलफिल कर सके, राइट? So the polar bear goes for swimming, as we are going for swimming in summer, na? So whenever there is a warm atmosphere at polar region, so polar bear are going for swimming. Okay, they are good swimmer. Its paws are wide and large. You can see the birds which can swim. चलो कौन सा बर्ड है जो स्विम कर सकता है पानी में? आपने देखा है? डक देखा है? ओके, सो यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इट्स पॉज. पॉ देखिए उसके कैसे पॉज होते हैं, वाइड होते हैं, लार्ज होते हैं, राइट? वाइड एंड लार्ज. ओके, विच हेल्प इट नॉट ओनली टू स्विम वेल बट ऑल्सो वॉक विथ ईज इन द स्नो. बराबर? सो क्या वो क्या हेल्प करते हैं? तो स्विमिंग में तो हेल्प करते हैं बेटा, बराबर? उनके पॉज होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं बेटा? लार्ज एंड वाइड. So they help them to swim, but also they help them to walk with ease in the snow. तो उनको बर्फ में चलना है तो उसमें भी हेल्प करते हैं ऐसे पोज. Understood? Now, while swimming under water, it can close its nostrils and can remain underwater for long duration. See, nostrils मतलब किसको पता है? Nostrils. They can close their nostrils with long time. चलो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. Whenever you are going for swimming, okay, then when you need to breathe, what you are doing? You are coming out and breathe. Again you are starting your swimming. Okay, during the swimming, okay, every time you come out and take a breath. Okay, so by what you are taking the breath? By which organ you are taking breath? Nose. तो आपके जो नाक के जो दो है ना बड़े वाले जो ये होल्स, उसे हम नॉस्ट्रिल्स बोलते हैं, बराबर? सो दिस नॉस्ट्रिल्स दे कैन क्लोज फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. और वाटर के अंदर रह सकते हैं. हम रह सकते हैं वाटर नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करके वाटर के अंदर? नहीं, नो, बट दे कैन डू दिस. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन एडेप्टेशन. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? दिस इज ऑल्सो द एडेप्टेशन ना बेटा. Okay, now understood everyone which adaptation they are adapting? Very good. Now it has a long sense of smell so that it can catch its prey for food. जो सुनो, इसकी स्मेल करने की सेंस भी बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होती है. इजीली दे कैन स्मेल. ओके, तो उतना शिकार अगर आजू बाजू में है तो वो तुरंत ही कैच कर लेंगे, राइट? We can understand the adaptations of polar bears with the help of flow chart. See here, the flow chart is given. Okay, and in flow chart every adaptation is given of polar bear. See, so in the middle you can see the picture of polar bear. Okay, and now we will start. So the white, first adaptation, the white for not easily visible in the snowy white background. So they are covering with white fur and that way they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. Okay, white color के background में वो नहीं दिख सकते हैं because of the white fur. Okay, those who have opened their video, please close. Dhruvi Chechani, off your video beta. Fine. Okay, and because of that this what happening? बोलो क्या होता है अगर वो ऐसे स्नोई जो जगह है वहां पर नहीं दिखते because of the white fur, तो उससे क्या फायदा है उनका? So its predator and prey are unable to see it. Okay, उनके predator भी उनको नहीं देख सकते as well as उसका prey भी उसको नहीं देख सकता है. तो easily they can save themselves from predator and easily they can catch their prey. Okay, चलो second adaptation. It has a very strong sense of smell. So because of it, it helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. Okay, तो sense ज्यादा है smell की, तो उसकी वजह से polar bear easily अपने शिकार को catch कर सकता है, ढूंढ सकता है, catch कर सकता है, right? Next one is it has long curved and sharp claws. So because of that, this helps it to walk in ice. Okay, लॉन्ग और शार्प क्लॉज है, उसकी वजह से वो आइस में भी इजिली चल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट एडेप्टेशन, इट हैज अ लेयर ऑफ फैट अंडर इट्स स्किन. So because of this, the fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm, as I have discussed. Okay, so क्या करता है बेटा ये? Because of this fat layer क्या होता है, बताओ क्या होगा? Very good. Very good. Okay, so the fat insulates its body. तो as a insulator work करती है वो fat. And क्या होगा उसकी वजह से? उसकी बॉडी वार्म रहेगी. वेरी गुड. हीरल इज गिविंग ऑल द आंसर्स. वेरी गुड. ओके, कीप इट अप बेटा. नाउ नेक्स्ट एडेप्टेशन इज इट हैज 2 थिक लेयर्स ऑफ फर. बराबर, थिक लेयर ऑफ फर्स है. एंड दैट वे दिस कीप इट वार्म इन कोल्ड वेदर. व्हेनेवर कोल्ड वेदर इज देयर, बराबर, बिकॉज ऑफ द फर उसकी बॉडी बेटा वार्म रहती है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? तो दिस एडेप्टेशंस, so this all adaptations, see, adaptation is given as well as because of this adaptation is how much helpful to this polar bear, it is also given with adaptation. जो okay, आपको adaptation भी दिया है और उस adaptation की वजह से उसको क्या फायदा होता है वो भी दिया है. Understood everyone? So this chart you have to draw in your science notebook. साइंस की नोटबुक में आपको ये चार्ट ड्रॉ करना है पोलर बियर के एडेप्टेशन का. अंडरस्टूड? Okay, and then don't send me whenever we will finish this chapter and we will finish exercise. So with exercise only you send me this chart. અત્યારે ચાર્ટ ડ્રો કરીને મોકલવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. એક્સરસાઇઝ આપણે જ્યારે ફિનિશ કરી દઈએ, લખી લો તમે. જ્યારે એક્સરસાઇઝ સેન્ડ કરો, with that you have to send this photo, okay, of chart. Understood everyone? चलो up till here anyone have any problem बेटा? किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ तक का? श्योर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ अनदर well-known animal living in polar region is penguin. Okay, in the figure 7.4 you can see penguins, बराबर, huddled together, है ना, दो penguin. Okay, so it is also white and merges well with the white background. So they are also living in polar region when snow is there. So to match with the surrounding, they are also having white color. Okay, it also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. Okay, so as polar bears are having thick skin. Okay, penguins are also having thick skin and lot of fat to protect them from cold. You may have seen pictures of penguins huddled together. देखा है ना ऐसा, साथ में सभी हडलिंग करते हैं. हडल का मतलब क्या होता है, किसको पता है? चलो, हाँ, वेरी इजी. क्राउड टुगेदर, क्राउड में, यस, इन ग्रुप, बराबर, क्राउड में सब जाते हैं, ग्रुप में जाते हैं, दैट इज हडल्स. ओके, सो हियर इन पिक्चर आल्सो यू कैन सी penguins huddled together, right? This they do to keep warm. ऐसा करने से क्या होता है, सब ग्रुप में जाते हैं तो, बराबर, वार्म रखते हैं एक दूसरे को. ओके, देन see here, very good. So whenever you are in the classroom, chalo, for example in winter, okay, the whole class is full, so that time you are feeling warm na, right? Or whenever you are going in any crowded area, crowded place, so that time also you are feeling warm, right? Understood everyone? So here this theory is applicable for penguins also. Then like polar bears, penguins are also good swimmers, right? Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs making them good swimmer. Okay, उनके feet भी एक joint होते हैं, so they can swim nicely. Okay, other animals living in the polar regions are many types of fishes, then mollusks. Okay, musk oxen, then reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and birds. Okay, so many other animals are also living in polar regions, and they all have adapted some adaptation to cope up with the environment, to cope up with polar regions. Okay, and among them we have seen adaptation of polar bear and penguins. Okay, so it is not to be noted, it is to be noted that while fish can remain under cold water for long, birds must remain warm to survive. Okay, understood? So देखो fish तो रहती है ना under water, under cold water for long, then birds must remain warm to survive. birds को जीने के लिए बराबर वार्म रखने की जरूरत है, बॉडी को वार्म रखना पड़ता है ना बेटा. So they migrate to warmer regions. कहाँ जाते हैं वो सब? Migrate. चलो migrate का मतलब क्या है? Migrate. To go from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, जिसको हम migration बोलते हैं. Okay. So they migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. Okay. So for example, they are living in the polar region and it is too much cold is there in the winter. So the birds are migrating and come to the region when the winter is there. For example, if they are coming in India, so in India the winter is too cold like polar region? No. So easily they can survive themselves in this type of atmosphere. Understood? So they come back after the winter is over. So when there is a winter in this type of cold region, the birds are migrating. Okay. And then after the winter, when the winter is over in polar region, again the birds are going on their original place. Okay. You know probably that India is one of the destinations of many of these birds. Okay. Nal Sarovar નું નામ સાંભળ્યું છે બધાએ? નલ સરોવર દેખાય આપકો? So in winter you are going to visit नल सरोवर. जाते हैं ना आप विंटर में, मोस्टली विजिट करते हैं नल सरोवर की. वाई? बिकॉज मैनी माइग्रेटेड बर्ड्स आर कमिंग एट नल सरोवर. ખબર છે નળ સરોવર ક્યાં આવ્યું? સાણંદ પાસે, બરાબર? તો ત્યાં બધા જાય છે ને વિઝિટ કરવા વિન્ટરમાં, કારણ કે અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ્સના બર્ડ્સ હોય છે એને જોવા માટે. So these birds are coming from different regions, mainly cold regions. તો એ વખતે બેટા કોલ્ડ જે રિજન છે, પોલ રિજન છે, ત્યાં આગળ શું હોય? વિન્ટર હોય, તો બહુ જ એક્સ્ટ્રીમ ઠંડી હોય. બટ હિયર ત્યાં આટલી બધી ઠંડી નથી અહીંયા આપણે, બરાબર? તો એ બર્ડ્સ અહીંયા આવે, અહીંયા 3-4 મહિના જ્યાં સુધી વિન્ટર છે ત્યાં સુધી રહે. So during this time polar region માં બી winter over થઈ જાય, right? તો again birds અહીંથી પાછા ત્યાં જતા રહે, બરાબર? So you must have seen or heard about the Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. બરાબર? તો જે સાઇબેરિયન ક્રેન છે, mostly you can see them in the winter at Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Okay? And some wetlands of northeast, barabar? And some other parts of India. So you can see many birds, okay, many migrated birds during the winter. Okay, now any problem in this topics? Anyone have any problem beta? Polar bear में भी पता चला और penguin में भी पता चल गया बेटा adaptation. Sure you don't have any problem? Sure हो ना बेटा? कोई problem नहीं है ना? Okay, fine. So if you have any problem, feel free to ask me whenever you want. You can call me or chat with me and I will give you answers. Okay. So आज यहाँ तक ही रखते हैं. Then in next session, we will see the topic, the tropical rainforest. Okay. पढ़ के रखना बेटा थोड़ा, बराबर? Reading करके रखना. Till then, have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye. Thank you.